Hello, hello, hello. Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to Coding the Village. Got a little cold, so sorry for that. I'm not gonna talk that much, I guess. But the code's the important thing. Last time we did the research phase and probably some other thing that I don't remember, and I've actually reworked a few stuff that I don't remember. It's been a few days, I think, maybe not. And today I would like to continue working on the upgrade system, meaning enhancing the what it called this research scene phase. First of all, I'm gonna rename it research to upgrade. Actually, not a big change, but I don't know, in my mind it works better. So let's start with that. So instead of research scene, it's gonna be called upgrade. Now it's confused again. Perfect. Anything else? I think there is. Where's the UI? There. That's this. Upgrade. Upgrade. Okay, I'm gonna quickly restart this. They should really fix that. Renaming stuff or duplicating stuff always gets the analyzers confused. Why did this not? Or have I renamed something else? No, I think it's okay. Why did this not get renamed? I don't know. So, yeah, did that. Now I want to do kind of hacked the upgrade last time just to test it out. So there's this little button that does stuff there, and I don't want to do it this way. I'm actually gonna do a similar system to requests and rewards. It's just gonna be upgrade, and yeah, let's get to it. Start with a new folder. I'll call it upgrade. And it's gonna be similar to... Is it gonna be similar to Quest? There's gonna be like a requirement. It's gonna be a cost. It's also gonna be something like a reward, but not a reward. It's gonna be the upgrade. Okay. I would copy all of that, but as I said, the studio hates that. But I will risk it. Do it like that. So we've got upgrade data. It's actually gonna be probably more. I don't know. We'll see. We need a manager. Not sure we need a manager. I'm gonna just prepare it there in case. What I need is like an upgrade image that's connected to the work spot. Maybe. Well, I can either be able to build a new work spot altogether or upgrade the existing ones, and those two things might be separate things, right? The work spots would take care of building new ones. Upgrades just gonna be the upgrades of the hello bishop. Sure, but don't expect too much yet. It's basically a board game actually. And now I've renamed everything, so it's not working. I need to rename this, so give me a second. Great. Great there. Nah, I don't have that. Or you can just quickly take a look at the older episodes and see it there running. Yeah, sorry. Thank you. I've currently like added those new files and I just copy them and it's making the project unbuildable. So it will take a few minutes to handle all of that. And I don't have names for these yet. Monogame isn't the best framework tutorial wise, but you've helped out a lot. I agree. I agree. Not that I helped a lot, but that it doesn't have too many tutorials. Or at least some that are easy to follow. Not just a repo link with code that's not documented. Let's, I don't know, wood cutting upgrade. Something like that. We don't need what's in the upgrade manager. I don't think we actually need the manager. I'm gonna delete this. Put this there. Put this there. Delete those. Do this. That. Great. 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 Why is this not working? We probably need there something. Up. Great. Grades like that. Okay, cool. This is working now. How about you? There. No. 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 What's that? That's an upgrade. Has requirements. Probably. Resolve. Maybe. Okay, I'm gonna have to do this line by line. I don't know. Okay, this working now? Okay. We've got guys. We've sent them doing stuff. We can train them in different professions. A monster attacking, quests available, your resources, and your turn. This is the upgrade phase. Then you can send your guys to fulfill those. They will transform into dice that you can roll. Oh, skip that. 3 more. Nothing today. And yeah, wait, there we go. Should roll the dice now. Why is it not rolling? Okay, I broke something, but that's about it. I know what I've broken. I've reworked the scene manager a little. And I forgot to do the activation. Where is it? There in the scene manager. Activate. It's actually there, but that's the initialization. We need to do it. There. Yes. Okay. Should work now. Let's give it a quick test. I'll just send them there. Yeah, now they're rolling. Okay, perfect. We can do that. Great. Fixed. Back to the upgrades. So how it should work is let me start the game again so we can take a look. Like, that's a work spot. Actually not the best. There. It's a work spot. Right, when you send a worker there, it's gonna produce 2 wood. I've got 4. It's gonna work there. Now I've got 6. Now, when entering the research phase, which is this is my debugging button to increase the production, but this is not how it should work. What I'm doing now is the upgrade class that should replace this button with something that would be attached to the work spot itself. And it should display somewhere near the work spot, maybe below, I don't know, like below. There might be multiple different ones, might be around them, I don't know. But there could be like more than one at a time, right? So I need like more space around probably. And it should also show like the cost to build the upgrade or to get it. And of course what it does. Something like spend 1 knowledge to increase your production. So we need a lot of space. So it probably would be best not to show all of them at once. Maybe you just select the work spot you want to upgrade and then it shows somewhere a list of possible upgrades. That would be the easiest way to do this and to have enough room to show everything, because cramming everything somewhere around there, I'm not sure. Or we could just rearrange everything, draw it in a different fashion, like not displaying the villagers during the research phase, not displaying these, and just spread the work spots around the whole area. And this would give us enough space to show all the upgrades. I don't know. Would this be confusing? It would be changing positions. Haven't thought about the UI for that. So now would be the time to do so. I think I will have to try like one way and see how it works, if it's good enough. And then just, well, redo it if it's not. Well, it would be better to get it right on a first try, right? So kind of like the idea of spreading things out, but I also hate the idea because it might be confusing if it just start moving around and what's where, and it would just, I don't know. The costs would be displayed something like that. So if there are like more upgrades possible, at least 2 or 3, you need a lot of space per work spot. So selecting what you want to upgrade, displaying it somewhere is one way, which is obviously easier on a UI and space, but also means the player cannot see all the options at once. I would have to like click on everything to see what can be upgraded, for how much, what it does. I would have to remember it, click all the other stuff, so it would be, for the player, it would be a lot more better to, show it all at once. And for that reason, I think I'll try doing it the way of displaying the work spots around the whole area, displaying each upgrade beneath it. There's also the question of something like a tech tree, where building one upgrade will unlock another. Should this be visible up front? Oh, a lot of questions. But okay, let's start somewhere as usual. I like the idea of seeing all the possible upgrades at once for every work spot. I don't yet know how many work spots will there be. If it's gonna be like just one row, or could it spill to 2 rows or more? If it would be just one, I could stay down there and show the upgrades above it. I don't think one row is gonna be enough. I should be more, or at least not lock myself to one row. And if there's more, how would you handle that? So there could be like one row, it upgrades, second row, upgrades with enough spacing. Okay, I think that's the way. That's the way. Okay. So first of all, in the upgrade scene, we will not do the common draw because we don't want to draw the villagers. We don't want to draw the dice, but we kind of do want to draw other stuff. Well, let's do draw upgrade scene. Maybe not, maybe not. No, that's stupid. Let's just put it right into the scene there. So instead of the common draw, not this. This will do. This, and all the others. Okay. Draw work spots. So just drawing the work spot. If it's disabled or enabled, they should all be enabled. You want to see them in full color. Got disable work spots. Do we have enable? No. Let's do enable. Finally to the upgrades. Okay. Let's just do one sample for the wood cutting. I can figure out the naming later. For now, it's gonna be woodcutting upgrade. The data. We need the ID, the texture. Okay, that can be some texture for the upgrade. I don't know, something. The size will probably be half of the work spot. I don't know, maybe. Let's see. I need to figure out how to represent the costs. I was thinking like each unit will be a separate icon, but if it would cost something like 10 wood, you would have to put like 10 icons of wood. It's probably better to just write number 10, right? We'll see. Then yeah, the numbers will probably be better. Okay, so the texture, the requirements, then actually the requirements will be slightly different than yeah. The rewards won't be rewards, but again, some upgrade effects. Okay, so probably we'll have to do a lot more stuff than just that. The cost. But the cost won't be clickable. It's just gonna be like a label with a number, how much or how many you need. Okay. Interesting. Can you do like a draw font into a target rectangle? I don't think so. Let me see. What do you have there? Vector. Yeah, it's all just reposition. You can scale it, but no. Okay. Right, then don't need those. And I'm gonna need do I have something like a resource? How do you do you've got resources. Could use resources. Get the textures there. So the costs can actually be something like that. I also need to attach the quantity to it as well. Okay. So do I put the costs in the same folder right with that? Let's try for now. So like cost. That's gonna be, I think, does the cost itself need to be a sprite? I don't know. Probably. Well, it needs to be somewhere. Yeah. Well, the thing is, if it goes like multiple resources, two wood, 3 stone. Is that like 2 instances of the cost class, or will the cost have like a list of those? I don't know. Let's just keep it simple. Do it like just one type. I don't know. Maybe. We'll see. Okay. It's getting difficult. So we need a something like this, a resource. like how or what kind of resource you need and how many quantity. Yes. Why is this? We need the texture. Okay. Can we have something like UI? Can we? What's the name of resource textures? Is this working? This perfect. I wanna do a primary constructor. Okay. This is what we need. We also need something like a position. Well, maybe not. Maybe not. The upgrade can take care of rendering this. Just need the information of what and how many. Yeah. Well, I'm still not convinced we need one per resource type. Probably. Okay. Then the upgrade will have something like why is this there? Shouldn't be there. Shouldn't be there. The cost is a sprite. Okay. We also need to like attach the upgrade to the work spot. Let's do that as well. Let's call it owner. Just gonna leave it like that for now. Oh, upgrade data. Okay, texture. We need the costs. It could just be a list, right? A list of cost to yeah. That's good work. So list of costs. Let's call it costs. So right there. ID, obviously, just in case, so that the item knows what it is. Texture cost, the owner will set externally. Need it, and then we need to tell does the work spot what can the upgrades do? The upgrades in the most basic form will change the list of rewards. Most probably add to it. The other thing it could do is change the rules it operates, enabling like different kind of workers to work there. Maybe. It could change the age range. That's pretty much all for now. But I think with those tools we can do a lot. And if I ever come up with something else brilliant, I will change it. Let's operate with rewards for now. So yeah. So the other thing for the data is something like an action. It's not there. Should be any quests maybe. Where's quest? Not there either. Okay. There, something like this. It's gonna be on, I don't know, upgrade. I'm gonna leave it as action. And this will happen once you obtain the upgrade. Well, then it should have something like, but not in the data. Okay, let's copy all of that. We need this. So we've got this in the sprite. We need cost. We need the action. Then we need, well, there was more thing. If it's actually enabled or disabled. I can enable and disable this based on the resources currently had, right? Okay. And if it's purchased, you can just remove it from the list from the work spot, so you won't get it again, I think. Right. Slowly getting there. It's a process. Tedious one, but that's a part of the development. It's even harder when you feel sick, like I am. But work must be done, no matter how bad you feel. Got this. I need a position. Okay, for now. Don't need that. Do I need here? For now, I think I can live with rendering it once at the beginning, or like at creation. Will there be something dynamic for now? Maybe I'll change. I guess not. And then I'll just need to do one of the tasks. This. It's on the list. But for now, let's leave it as it is. And yeah. This is well, the action or upgrade or the thing. We need a graphical representation or something that would tell the player what the upgrade actually does. That's the logical thing, like the inner workings, but we also need something like something to show. I can't run the game now, okay. They stuffy nose, can't breathe. It's updating the requirements. We don't need that. No. Well. Let's comment this out for now. I need, say, new entity for the action, for the upgrade effect. What would I call it? I need like new images. Yeah, I think I'm just gonna call it upgrade effect. Upgrade effect. It's gonna be something like that. Will probably need a yeah. Snowballing into a massive thing. Again, I want to do this system very flexible, so there are no shortcuts I can take. Just need to just need to power through it. Okay. Guess I need a new enumeration. Upgrade. Why is my shift not shifting? And Let's wood cutting upgrade probably. Yeah. Now I need like textures for those, and let me think. Thinking just to make it a text. What if it would be just a simple short sentence? At least for now. I'm gonna do it like a short sentence just for now. I'm gonna cheat a bit. So upgrade data will actually have a public string. Could be either a description or effect. Let's call it description. Description. Okay, and yeah. We need the description there. I wanted to do the game kind of language independent. Use imagery and symbolism. But I guess, well, it's gonna be a work in progress. And the text description is gonna make it one step easier for now. Might redo it. Okay, is that all we need? What are we upgrading? How much it costs? What it does when you get it? What it does when you get it in a text form? Can you get it? It might be all. This is how it looks like. That's what it costs. I think that's it. Need this, that. Okay. Can I? Oh, I think that's okay. Then rendering everything will be fun. Well, we'll do the what's the size of a work spot? 128, 128. The upgrade should be like 128, 64. Half of it. Probably do it below. show the costs and like the quarter size. Probably with the number before it. This would mean you can put only like 2 different resources there. And it's gonna be filled. It's too little. Too little. So maybe and then you need to put the description somewhere, and it's gonna be like what, 3 or 4 words. Aye. It's no fun being sick. I guess the upgrade needs to be bigger, but we'll see. Well, let's do it. Okay, then. So size 32 works. This is rows. Probably don't need these. It's gonna be cost in costs. No, yes. Is it working? Probably working. That's the destination rectangle. Yeah, I need the counter. Do I need the counter? I need the counter. I think the best way would be if I could just show the number over the resource icon. Not sure how readable this is gonna be, but I certainly can try. Then I would have the option to put like 4 next to each other. That would be great. Okay, let's try that. It's probably not gonna look too good. Especially, I don't know. I think this. I mean, the font size. I'm using just one. I probably need to do like a smaller size. It could be okay. All right, so let's do a counter definitely. Come on. C++, always fun to write. Let's do C times size, probably correct. Texture. Texture height. It's all of that about. We were going from bottom. I get it. No. What? That's X. That's Y, right? I don't think this is. Wow. This is gonna be 0. I actually need to do the position first, because I'm gonna need it again for the number. So it's gonna be this. Oh, this. Can I do vector? No. It needs to be int. Okay. That makes it a lot harder. Do it like that. I hate when they don't let you tap there. Okay. Then we'll do boss R like that. Think it's just gonna move on the horizontal axis. Yeah. Okay. Okay. Do we have that? Perfect. Then we need to do the quantity drawstring. Do we have the font somewhere there? But this is gonna be too big. Probably need to get a smaller one. We'll see. It's gonna be too big, I already know. There we put the position and the color. Oh, and this is not vector. Okay. Something like this. Except the text is gonna be too big, and we also need the description. So that's the position. No, we need the position just once, right? Okay, so that's gonna be there. Like description, and the position's gonna be, what do I know? Let's say it's 2 rows. So X is gonna be 0 and 32. Can't put it as a size. White, probably, might be, why not? Okay, this should draw all the info of the upgrade. Right. Then for drawing the upgrade, actually, we don't need this. We don't need this. Well, yeah, we need to set up the position. I think I can do it with the base draw only and set up the position when drawing the let me come back to that. Okay, upgrade factory, upgrades. That's just the one. Okay. It's the upgrade data where we need ID, texture, costs, action, description. ID, texture. Don't have the texture yet. What do we do with that? Let's quickly do one. And that's 128 by 64. I could just do like the lower half of this image for now. Do that. Do that. Okay, perfect. What's it called? Upgrade. Let's do upgrades. Wood cutting, for example. So we've got upgrades, wood cutting like that. You need to add it to the content. Yeah, I need to do the folder right. Upgrades. This, yes. Cool. So, upgrades. Already forgot the name. Think wood cutting. Need a list of costs. Is costs? No. These costs need a factory as well, because this is, well, we don't. Let's put just one there. We need a resource and quantity. Okay. So it's a list, so it should start with that. Then we can do something like this. Resource. It's gonna be, let's put knowledge there, and the quantity, I don't know. I think we start with one, right? Let's put one there. And Then we need the action. Static void wood cutting action, cutting upgrade, wood cutting upgrade action. Put this there. And we need just the description. So wood production +1. Is this gonna be short enough? We'll see. But yeah, I kind of don't have a way to get to the owner. Do I? Hello, app SS. I will need to change the action to be something like action workspot. And call it with self. Is this a way to do it? Maybe. I don't know. This is the idea. So like that. Work spot. We can do like work spot. Where's the owner? Why is that? Oh, no, it's the. Oh, we can do at reward. Reward factory. Create rewards. Vote. It should be. It should be all. Old school games. Hello. Thank you. I don't know. I don't know about that, but thank you. Yep. I think that's about it. Cool. Anything else? No. I think this is. This is it. Are we setting up? Oh, we are not setting up the thingies, right? Okay. So like, I can start as false, whatever. Like descriptions, gonna be the data description. What else? ID is set. Costs is data costs. On upgrade is data upgrade. And this needs to be workspot. probably. Got the description already. Yeah, that's it. That's it. Okay, then to use this somewhere, the workspot will have a list of available upgrade. Then how do we let's rename this to wood production. We need to attach the upgrade somewhere, somehow. I'm just gonna hack it now and then think of a better way. So let's do something like that. Upgrade, 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 upgrade at upgrade. I'm just doing in the, I'm just gonna do it there where I'm creating the workspots. This is also not ideal for now. Oh, I'm not. Let's add an upgrade there. Upgrade factory, create upgrade, upgrades, production. Okay, that's the one way to do it. So, you got the upgrade there. We're still missing a way to draw them. So, workspot, except for having draw, will have a draw upgrades method. Yeah, I'll have to do it like that. So size gonna be a no. Yes, kinda. No, I don't know. Well, all right. size is 128 by 64. Let's say counter for the upgrades. What do we need? Do I need this size? I don't need this size at all. Well, no, let's forget it. I'm just gonna do none of that. And the position is the affected by the origin, right? That's always a pain. Okay, so let's do position x minus origin x position y minus origin y. That's the base position top left corner. And I'm actually gonna do plus texture height to get the bottom left corner and place the upgrades there. Yeah, sounds like a plan. Okay, is that right? Probably. So no, I can do just position is this, wait, this plus c times 64 and then just do draw. Well, no, because it's again the origin, right? The upgrade has the middle origin as well. Does it? I think it does. Could be something like plus origin minus origin. Like that, maybe. I don't know. Probably. I guess. No. Plus, right? That's the top left corner. But I need to move it to the center. I think it's like that. Yeah, we'll see. It will either work or it won't. Probably won't. Okay. So this should draw the attached upgrades to the work spot. Now you wanna do this. inside the upgrade scene, we have draw work spots. We wanna do draw work spot upgrades. Something like this. And now we wanna do, where was it? There. Except for drawing the work spots, we will draw their upgrades as well. There's a matter of not doing the handling the input at all, right? It's gonna be like next part, but instead of probably wanna get rid of this. That's the dummy. Yeah. This can go away. Well, now it could draw the upgrade below the work spot. We won't do anything yet, but we can at least check that. Is it working? No. Why not? Do I have the names wrong? Upgrades wood cutting. Upgrades wood cutting. Wood cutting should be right. Upgrades. 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 Wood cutting. Oh, that's not a problem there. What is the problem? Create upgrade. Okay. All right. Take a look. Everything's fine there. This is not working. I haven't initialized the upgrade factory. Okay, got it. that you've got a thing for this there. My bad. Nope. Still not. What do you mean? You sure? You sure? Go. The UI manager needs to be initialized first. Okay. But it is. No, it's not. It's after. Okay, it's hacked anyway. Let me just do... Which was it? There. No, where was it? Damn, I lost it. There, right. It's the cost. The cost. Can we do this some better way? Probably not. Can I do this? That's a big hack. It's a very big hack. It's still not working. What? Add upgrade null reference. Upgrades are not initialized. Of course. Okay. But do I really? Because I'm not assigning the upgrades from the constructor as in the other. Thinking whether I want to. I might. redo this. I probably will have to. I need to clean up the cost. Ah, there we go. So this is the wood cutting thing that should have the upgrade attached. When I get to this phase there, okay. So it costs 1 wood. The super big font. And that's the description in a super big font. I need like half the size of the font for this. But it's working, at least the drawing. Okay. First minor success. And let's get a new font. It's there. Let's do another one. Sprite font. Let's call it, I don't know, small font. Okay. We got I'm just gonna copy this and do the size a lot smaller. The half small enough. I might do a even smaller. Let's do 14 and use this somewhere. I need to find the globals. There. Got the font there. Let's use a small font. Small font and use it in the upgrade. Was it? Small font. Let's see. Well, that is a small font. The description is still too big. I don't think I can make it any smaller. It would be too small. I need to fix a lot of things now. So like the cost, texture, loading, probably need a whole factory for this. I think I will do that. Yeah. There was more stuff to fix, but I don't remember. Let's say it's okay for now. I'm just gonna do wood prot +1 for now. Let's just finish the job with acquiring the upgrade actually. It's gonna be tough. No, will it? Oh, I don't know. First of all, we need to change the upgrade from being a sprite to a button, because the button has the... Maybe not. Are we okay with... Does this sprite has the area, right? That's all we need. Yeah, I think that's all we need. Let's see how we are handling the selection of things. I don't know where that is. Probably in the game manager, right? Villager selection. Do we have a work spot selection? We've got work spots. Okay. Let's do update work spot upgrades. Don't need this. We clicked for each up. We need to do. Yeah, we need to do this. We need to do another for upgrade in work spot upgrades. Let's not care about disabling now. So if upgrade areas where we clicked, then we'll do upgrade. We don't have anything for that, right? How does activate look? Nope, we don't need that. Let's do upgrade on upgrade. We just need the thing, and the thing is the work spot. So I think it's work spot. And we need to do this. So I want to remove the upgrade from the list. We should also check if we've got the resources, reduce the resources and stuff, but not right now. And we'll just call this there. This could be all. If I click this, we should get a 1 wood 3 to 1 go. Yes. Oh, very nice. Okay. That was tough. That was tougher than expected. And it's very suboptimal and not completed at all. But it works a little. What's this? Oh no, we are in the upgrade phase, right? This one was removed due to its attack. Now we move on. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Works. Works as neat. a lot more work to work better. Let's do upgrade, check costs, upgrade, disable. Enable. I'll probably just disable all the upgrades that I don't have resources for. Therefore, you don't have to check them and click. Just check if it's enabled or not. I guess doing something similar with the work spots, right? Gonna do that. Okay. Observation. Coding goes not that well when you're feeling sick. So probably won't. Well, try not to do that too often. Who would have guessed, right? Well, again, the base of the upgrade system is in. I will polish that when I feel better. And I'll see you soon. Thank you for watching. Have a nice rest of the day. And bye bye.